Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to install Ultimaker Cura on Windows. So what we need to do is we will basically download the file from the official web page. So yeah, let's head over to the Google right here, and what we are going to do is type in Ultimaker Cura, click like that. So we have here um, Ultimaker. So this is their official webpage. You will directly see download for free. And if you scroll down a little bit, you will also see here versions that you can download. So for Mac, Windows, and Linux. So I'm using Windows, so I will download this exe file. Now here you will see it will start downloading. When it's finished with that, you will just double click on that and we will start to install the program to our computer. Except you will see here now that we start. You will just follow this prompt, so we can skip this, and yeah, we can go here. You will need to agree with those licenses and agree where you want this file to be located. So if you agree, just click next. And right here you will put file yes like that and click install. Now I have already this, so I won't do that, but yeah, if you want to install it, just click on this button and the program will be installed. Now as you can see, when you get into it, I already have here the models, but it looks something like that. This Ultimaker Cura, it looks something like that. So yeah, this is pretty much it how you can install the program. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.